The Karen Reed case may look like a true crime headline, but at its core, it's a data story. What happens when digital breadcrumbs become the most persuasive witness in the room? So, in terms of data, we've got Apple Watch logs, Wi Fi connections, the vehicle, black box data.
Well, you've
We've got
got on
video footage.
The Apple Watch is at least three kinds of data that turn important. One, the clock. Two, the steps. There's the defense said the Apple Watch showed the guy was walking around after the death time, right? So if he was walking around and going into the house, which is what the defense said, then obviously she couldn't have run him over because her Wi-Fi connection, which is another source of data, was back at the house. And then there's a temperature sensor, which I wasn't aware of. And so that played into some of the medical testimony because if he was at a certain level of temperature, warmer than you'd expect him to be if he'd been out in the cold for 7 hours, then she also couldn't have killed him. So you had the clock, you had the steps, you had the temperature on the Apple Watch, you had the car entertainment system, which is its own data. But we do know the day before they were going to be served with a subpoena for their phone, they both drove to a military base and disposed of their phone in some kind of special shredding device that made it impossible to reconstruct the phone ever.